Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and our most recent project is pretty awesome. It's this vintage camper behind me, a 1972 Avion camper trailer. And today I've got 4 products that we use to upgrade this thing inside and outside to bring it up to the 21st century and make it our ultimate camper. Let's check it out. Here we have the Fusion To Go 3.0 cell phone booster. Now this one is made specifically for campers, trailers, and other recreational vehicles. It will double your cell phone's reception. You can have multiple devices hooked up to this at the same time. It supports 5G phones and is compatible with the Northern American cell phone plans. Now I've got this antenna unit inside that catches your cell phone signal, and there's an antenna unit on the outside. That comes with mounting hardware to mount anywhere outside the trailer or camper or your van. It's really easy to do, costs $450 on Amazon. Remember, that is the Fusion To Go 3.0 cell phone booster. Here we have the Anchor Nebula portable projector. Now this is a capsule model and it's about the size of a soda can. It projects about 100 inches wide. It has a runtime of about 4 hours, and it's got a built-in speaker so you don't have to haul around any sound equipment. It connects right to your phone, or you can connect it with a wire using HDMI or USB. It's got its own app, so it's really easy to control. Costs about $300 on Amazon. Remember, that is the Anchor Nebula portable projector. Here we have the MB Quart sound system. It's a really great system that starts with a digital receiver. It runs AM, FM, Bluetooth, and weather band, which is really important when you're out camping. Next up, the sound bar. Again, runs on Bluetooth, or you can connect it to the receiver to run your music any way you want. We also have 4 coaxial 6.5-inch speakers throughout the trailer that are really great. All of these things, the whole system is weatherproof, so it's great to put in your boat, in your trailer, wherever you might want to have some decent music. Now the receiver is $130, the soundbar $450, and a set of 4 speakers is $100, all found on Amazon. Remember, that is the MB Quart sound system. Now here we have the Boogie Lights LED Underglow RV kit. It's a really great kit that makes our camper pop out at night. Comes in 2 16-foot lengths of LED strips, and it's really easy to install at your battery. It changes colors from red to green to blue and anything in between. Really super bright LEDs. You can operate the lights with a remote, or you can download the Boogie Lights app. You can find these for $300 at Boogie Lights website or on Amazon. Remember, that is the Boogie Lights LED Underglow RV kit. So there you have it, 4 products that we use to upgrade our vintage trailer into our ultimate camper project. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. So we'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.